Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well in your life, and today I'm sharing with you my daily routine. So if I make any mistake during my daily routine, then you forget it and comment me. First of all, I introduce myself. My name is Geeta and I live in Dura, nearby Fatehpur Sikri, Agra. And I blessed with two kids, and I live in joint family in village. So, and I'm only a housewife, and the nowadays I'm running a YouTube channel. So first of all, I usually wake up in the morning about 4 o'clock, and then I sit my bed for 5 minutes to pray God to happy life and happy days. After that, I roll out the bed and put the sleepers, and I go to washroom and freshen up. After that, I brush my teeth, and I wash my face and hand. After that, I wipe my face and hand with a towel, and then I come into the kitchen, and I clean my kitchen first, and I make tea for my all family. And after preparing tea, I serve my all family for tea. I serve tea for my all family, and then I take tea. After that, I wash the dishes, and I boil 2 glass of milk for my kids. Then I woke up my kid for school, and I give milk for my babies. After that, I cut the vegetable and cook vegetable, and until cook vegetable, I knead the dough, and I bake the chapati, and after that I pack lunch for my babies. I prepare my kids for their school, and I pack lunch for my kids. After that, I wash the dishes, and I sweep the floor, mopping the floor. And after that, I select clothes, and then I comb my hair, and apply makeup on my face, some little bit. And after that, I take lunch, and after having lunch, I do the dishes. And after that, I practice my English journey. You can say I read some books, English story, and only one page I write English for my life related. And after that, my kids are come to home, so I give milk for my kids, and I do the dishes again. And about 3 o'clock, I make tea for my all family, and I take tea. After that, I take free time for me, for myself, and then I cut the vegetable about 6 p.m., and I cook vegetable. After that, I make chapati for my all family, and then I serve dinner. And after that, I take dinner, and after having dinner, I wash the dishes, and I clean my kitchen again. After that, I am uh, I am go I'm go to the I go to the bed and I sit and I watch TV for half an hour. After that, I practice for my daily English, and then I sleep. So this is my daily routine. If I make any mistake, then forget and comment me what is my mistake. एंड आप मुझे कमेंट करेंगे, इससे मुझे ये पता चलेगा कि मैंने कहाँ पर कौन सी गलती की है डेली रूटीन में। वैसे मैं आपको बता दूँ, मैं अपने माइंड में